Connect TradingView to Bitget. How to connect TradingView to Bitget? It's simple and easy. Now, first of all, make sure you are on your TradingView account. Now, if you click on brokers and click on compare brokers, now from here select crypto. Now, as you can see, we don't have Bitget. We just have Bybit, but we need to connect Bitget. So how to do that? Now, make sure to log into your Bitget account. Now, head over to your profile icon. Now, click on API case. And for a while, wait a few seconds. Now click on agree. Now after that, click on create API keys, and now choose between system generate API keys or user generate API keys. So select one of these, and now after you create, if you select this, so the user you can now fill all of this and click on next to be able to get your API keys. Now if you select this option, now you'll be able to fill all of this also to be able to get the API key. So after you get your API key, now go to TradingView and now log into your accounts and search here for the Bitget as like this, Bitget. And now after you find the Bitget token, click on launch chart. Now for a few seconds, they will show you this panel. Now I will just close it. Now go to trading panel, and for by default it will be this. Now just expand it to be able to see this bar. Now click on trading panel. Now for a while. Now if you don't find it here, just click on all brokers. Now after you find the Bitget, just click on it. Now here paste your API keys, and now create the passphrase. And now after you are ready to go, click on connect. So this is how to connect TradingView to Bitget. Thanks for watching, and if this was helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.